On the ACT, you'll be given two thoughts similar to these. The ideas may be given in two separate sentences, or together in one sentence, like it is here. In between the two thoughts, a connection will be underlined. Examine the relationship between the ideas before and after the connection word. Are they similar? Contrasting? Does one lead to the other? Is more info being added? Do the two thoughts even need a connection word? In this case, the ideas are contrasting. Look for a connection word that is used to connect contrasting ideas. If two choices express the contrasting relationship, you'll have to choose the choice that works best in the context. Here, two contrasting connection words are given as options: but and however. The problem with choosing however is that two independent clauses would be connected using a comma and no conjunction. Ouch, a comma splice. To use however here, we would need a semicolon, but that is not an option. In this case, connect with the comma and conjunction but. Choose C.